Good morning. All right. We're going to hop straight into it. Oh, you know what I should do? Let's see. Gonna post on Mastodon on Hachyderm. All right, done. A little cold in here today. Either that or it's just me. How's everyone doing today? Just... Where were we? We were in the code. We're collecting these char pieces, right? With these parts. I feel like we should take a quick look at our tests. Maybe fix them up. I think we should start to fill out this function, fix our tests, profit. All right. Which emotes do we want to receive, though? Because if we look at where the message starts to be parsed, here, we get the emote text. And we parse them like so. So we could just accept an array of Twitch emotes. I think we will do that. So I'll take that. Now we need to be able to convert those into something that we can use. That's here. Come back to what did we do next? Message to parts, yes. The first thing we did here was to flatten the emotes. And that's why we have this other thing called flat emotes. But I don't think we're going to use that. We're going to end up using a map of spans to emote IDs. I think we're going to be able to get rid of this, which will be nice. That will be nice. Something like that. And we would like to return hash map of span, a Chomsky span, yes, to string. Now, why was it that we converted this to a string? I don't remember. Let's add that. Oh, interesting. Huh. Can we just use... Oh, no. This will be not a span, but a range. We'll need to check this against a span. So either we create a span, which I don't know if we can do. Let's see what Chomsky has to offer for spans. Oh, it's implemented for range. Okay, so we could just use range then. Interesting though, the self-context. I wonder if this is just not... Oh, it's just unit. Perfect. Okay. And what's this? Typically use size is used. Yeah, that's probably what we'll use. Even though the Twitch emotes... This one. I don't know. Here. We'll just do it. What am I doing? because this is plural. We'll say it's at also 13 to 19. I think this technically should be 8. Yeah. Because they're inclusive. All right. And now we can compare that. So this would be, what, 3 to 9. And that's going to be Clippy. Oops. And also 13 to 19. Uh-oh. Anonymous lifetimes in Infiltrate are unstable. Tell me more. Oh. Okay. Lifetime parameter. And this lifetime would actually be... would be B. Right, because it's the content within the Twitch emotes. So I don't think we need A. Just need that one on the correct place. Okay. Oh, this is in Twitch message. Yeah, we're getting rid of that. This call here, flatten emotes. That's gone. Problem solved. What's it complaining about up here? Okay. And this is the function we are replacing. Our tests. And this is where we're going to call the new function. So this would be Twitch message parser. And oh, that was message emotes. Okay, let parse. Oops. Oh, we have to hold on to this. We have not done the combining piece yet. But we will need to convert chars to text and map the other pieces straight across. with capacity, and this will be... Oh, no. Part set length will be too much because of all of the extra little chars. Okay. We'll get there. Slow down, Clippy. Huh. All right. Ooh, do we want like a peaking iterator here? We can peek at the next one. Drag this out to a local. Mismatched types. Oh no. Vector. Wait. Stop it. Okay. Oh, it's an option. Option. Okay. Yeah, we didn't take that apart. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Sybil? Which one is it? Hubble. I mean, sometimes it just doesn't look right. Okay. It's an intuitor, and now the fun part. You know what we need to do here is push this into the message parts, which we could do if we could do it automatically if we were using the combinator, but I'm not sure how to use the combinator with the chars, where we need to kind of sub-collect these chars. Because we would have to advance the iterator from within the combinator. That's the piece I don't know. Alright. Combine parts, okay. So what I was going to do was simply grab a string, have like a let, you know, mutable text part equals option 2 a string. Oh, it's none. And then here, good morning, Xenocron. If we get one of these pieces, we immediately take the char, put it on the text part. That's mute. Map. There's immutable references, okay. How do you append something to a string in Rust? Oh, it's either that or we just treat it as, you know, why don't we just treat it as a vector? Vector of char for now. That should be expected mutable reference. What? Why is this expecting a mutable reference? Oh, because I'm mapping the type. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Let's mute that. If I unwrap it, you know, iced. What is iced? Parse. Help consider spelling out the type instead. Where is this? Twitch emotes, line 19. Oh, is this why we used that string earlier? Because of this. Head's a string. Cannot contain a projection or self that references lifetimes from parent scope. Oh. So it's really this here. Oh. All right, and then we got into lending iterator. I remember this conversation now. So many options, hard to tell which ones are viable though. A Rust GUI app, great. Yeah, using Elm architecture. Oh, a Rust GUI app. Oh, neat. What ICE does. Gotcha. All right, this back to string. Either that or we change it. Because we're guaranteed to use every emote every time. Yeah, let's change this. Where is this used? One place. It's an iterator. Oh, I see, and our type is wrong here. I was expecting a vector. Yeah, okay. Let's just return the vector of self. Source item, collect. Oh, yes, because the type change here. Get ranges. Should be yeah, let's go ahead and use the curly braces. All right, that's what we want. There we go. Wow, look at this. Okay, lots of little pieces here. What are these? Oh, these are the tests down there. Okay. Expected mutable reference. Found chart. My heater was off. No wonder it's cold in here. Affected mutable reference. Found char. Text part. Oh, because we're using append. Okay, yes. Append. It's not what we want for a vector. Push. There we go. All right. And then, what's that sound? Oh, I want to peek the iterator. It's parts. We want to see what the next one is. Because if the next one is also the same type, and then we do nothing, right? We just keep going through this for loop. If it's a different type, then we collect the string that was created and store that. Let's see, do we want to match that or? Oh, that's right. If let sum. So let's. So if we have a next one, match next. Or if it's char, we just continue on, right? If it's an emoticon or code, if it's anything else, we want to collect that and push that. Okay. The way's off, but they're building up a bunch of foundational things, which are very important if we ever want to have a good native UI. Oh, wow. Alright, we'll save that for later. What's going on here? Borrow of moved value. Borrowed, wait. Oh. Now we have our part. Now it's not owned by that for loop. Still good. Okay, good. Had that little curly brace at the end. So now, in theory, we have all of our message parts. And maybe if we error, we just return the message. I don't know. We'll have to see. And this is going to be a result of that. So message parts. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay. Now that we have that, let's go fix the tests. We just want to parse. Message. Let's go ahead and unwrap that. That makes for a good test. Oh, and we need the emotes. Interesting, that's right. This changes too. So we have our message parts. That looks good. Let's go to the next one. Oh, what's up here? Cannot move out of emote.ranges behind a shared reference. Oh. I think it's the same issue. So we've borrowed it here. Yeah. No, we cannot consume it. We need the iter. Oh, I see. Emote range is moved due to this implicit call to into iter. Rating over a slice instead. I see. Oh, interesting. In which case, we probably could have still had the 4. There we go. Okay, back to 2 more tests. 2 more tests to fix. Okay. Same thing here. Okay. What else is wrong in here? Let's go fix this. Explicit lifetime required. And the type of item. Parse item. Okay. I think this is correct. Parse item. Parse. Yeah, that should be the same. All right. The exciting part, the part we've all been waiting for, the tests, cargo, cargo, yeah. Cargo test. No, okay. Text and code failed. Simple text failed. A simple code worked. Alright, just getting the heater adjusted. Okay. So what did we get for simple text? Simple text, we get... let's see. So on the left, there's text. Hello, this is a text. Okay. All right. To me, this... Whoa, what is this? Okay. It's unnecessarily wrapped in a result. Yeah, I know. It's because... errors. I don't want to work in this yellow blob. Let's go ahead and just remove this. Let's obey the machine. No more unwrap. Fine. Now I think that there's something wrong here. Debug errors and run it again. Just the one, please. Oh, swap. That's 66. Oh, sure. I don't know why it's still giving us this error. Here, let's... Restart server. Okay. Whew. We're going to look at the errors, see if there's anything, because maybe there was. I don't expect it. Yeah. I see. Replace. There we go. You seem to be trying to use match for description. Okay. I am. But I actually care about the other part. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Do I like the match better? Check something real quick. All right. Should pour some tea. What's going wrong here? Oh, we were gonna look at the debug. Let's see. Anything? No debug. Oh, it is errors right there. Nothing. Wow, no errors. Okay, so what's happening? Char comes in. We push the character into the vector, right? Right? It's happening, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. More and more. Looks like it's building it up. If we go back a ways. Yep. Okay, so that's working. So why isn't this working? What I miss here is extract local variable. I miss that from the Vim ones. Let's see what next is. In this case, next is none, which is correct. Some, none. Perfect. So we're getting in here. So if the char is next, we don't do anything otherwise. Uh-oh. Binding's name is too similar to existing binding. Oh, because it's next in text. Well, I'm going to put that back. I'm not seeing the error here. Is it an error with just how I'm reading this? 78 text part sum. 78. Okay. Oh, but why did it not come in here? 78. Ooh, there's a mystery afoot. If let sum next peak. Okay, and we knew that next is something. No, it's the end of the string. It's the end of the whole thing. It's a none, so it's not getting in here. Did we read the previous test wrong? Okay, so because it might be the actual end of the whole message, if it's something or nothing, if it's nothing, we have to capture it. If it's something and it's not a char, we need to capture it. Okay. How do we represent that here in Rust? We could map the none. We can map it. Oh, I know. Is finished. What? What does the colon mean? Here? This is letting us select a specific variant on the enumeration. So message part is an enumeration, and text is one of the different choices we have. So it's an enum. So we can say message part : text, message part : emoticon, and so on. Yeah, Rust enums are kind of like C unions on steroids. They're really, really powerful. Is complete. And if you have more questions, ask. I will do my best to answer them. Okay, is complete. So hearts.iter peak. Okay, so that'll give us an option. Let's say map. So this variant, this value, because this might be something, and if it's something, and how do we compare this? How do we say if it's exactly this variant arm? Do we just use a match for that? We could use matches. Oh, matches is in... Huh. Would use matches. Like in a match, the pattern can be optionally followed by if, like, okay. foo is your actual variable, and okay. So this would be v, and if v matches, or it's char, we don't care about what's inside of that. But it's if it doesn't match, so we need to flip that. Fail to resolve. Part? Oh, it's singular. All right. Now, you know, I think I should have used map or else. Because we wanted to specify a default. Map or, because it's just a Boolean. Yep, so we can do, is complete. We'll say it's complete. It's true. Okay. So if it's none, it will become true. Or if it is not char. Right. But if it is complete, then we capture it. Okay. Let's try it out. Success. Oh, little wins. All right. Should we try all of them? Let's just give it the whole test. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay. So all the tests pass. Unused variable in message parser? Oh, because yes, we're building the parser there. We don't need the, oh, we do need the emotes. We're not done. Okay. All right, we're close to done. So we have it collecting the text, we have it collecting the code blocks, but we don't have it converting the emoticons. And the way that I want to set this up is first, I don't know if our guard is going to work for everything. Our guard's currently, if it's alphanumeric or colon, right? So we'll have to see. I wonder what Twitch's rules for parsing emoticons are, because I basically have to match that. There might be some experimentation here. We want to look at the span and see if it's in the hash map. And if it is in the hash map, then we will not omit. We will not return an error. But instead, we would return the stir. Emotes dot contains. Let's see. We can do it. Just do a get, right? That'll be some or none. Yeah. Okay. If let sum emote ID equals get, and we give it the span. Because this is a range of uses. Perfect. So if it's that, perfect. We will just return the mote ID, and I think we have to give it a string here. To owned, we'll convert that to a string. Yeah. Else we need to omit. Okay. Then we get rid of these. I really don't want to be generating strings for every message. Oh, they do have different. Interesting. So, what does it do with the... Oh. Really? That's to owned. If and else of incompatible types. Expected stir found string. Isn't to owned? Oh, what are we getting on to owned here? No. What ID? Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. Hidden type for... Captures lifetime that does not appear in bounds. Okay, message part parcel line 126. That's our hidden type here. And this one... Oh, because is this because we're moving it into that and then it's being captured by the parser? Interesting. Okay. But how do we represent that? In the return type, like there's nothing here that we can... Oh, we might have to go back to string. Okay. Fine. Lookup map, insert emote ID to owned. That means this is now string. Okay. Cannot move out of shared reference. Oh, we want to clone it. Okay, so we don't want to correct that to owned. This should now be clone. All right. What was the second one? Mismatch types. Oh, that's in our test. Okay. But this one, hidden type, captures lifetime that does not appear in bounds. Emotes. Ooh. Yes, we could just pass those in. So instead of, it's because of this closure, right? Where basically move the borrowed reference into the closure and returning it with this implemented parser, right? With this parser. And I don't see a way to express the lifetime so we'll just capture the whole thing. It's going to be small. We should be all right with that. Message parser. Okay, just take your emotes. Okay, now our... Mismatch types expected. Oh, and that would be nice if it actually told us what this was. Oh, stir versus string. Okay. Let's test again. All right, all of our tests pass. What? Oh, but we don't have emoji tests, like actual tests like before. So here's Twitch message. We commented out a lot of tests here that we could probably port over. Let's just grab those and see what needs to stick. And we can get rid of this little blob at the end. Okay. Flatten emotes. I do not think we need that. We're just going to rip through these real quick. Which message? To parts, subscriber emotes. Yeah, let's keep that one. That one's got emotes. Code and emotes. Yeah. Ooh, escaped text. I forgot to add escaping. Yeah, we should keep that one. Fence code, yes. And regular code escaping. Okay, yeah. We're just going to undo a bunch of these. Uncomment, rather. Maybe we should do them one at a time. Okay, let's just do this one. Get it to work. Wait. I hit Control Z for some reason. All right. Yep. And what do we want here? This should just be parse. back. Really? Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. All right, let's see if this works. Because emoticon should work here. I think we just attempted to implement it. No way. What? Twitch message to parts basic Twitch. That worked. Holy cow. Whoa, nice. All right. I mean, of course it worked. Ours, easy, of course, yes. First time, first try, yeah. This one's going to fail, though. This one, because we didn't implement it. Lies. Oh, no. This one's okay. This is single backtick. It's not a code block. Okay. I was wrong. Happy to admit that. And what do we have here? Dog's barking. Okay. Failed. Oh no. Because of the single backtick. So what we're expecting is a text block, some code, and then more text. Can't tell if you love it or hate it. Yeah. So right now it's probably just parsing this as an emoticon, which we should check. So the actual is first. Oh, interesting that that it didn't pick up the emote here. Okay, I think there's a different bug in here, but I also don't think it's doing what we intended. Yep, I am on Starlink still. Oh, yep. And it says that my connection's currently unstable. That, and we are currently using Stitch with a 2-second buffer. So here's that other software we wrote, goodness, ages ago. And you can see occasionally the outgoing buffer buffers a little bit. And I wonder if our buffer on the server side, yeah, look here, it was empty, it drained. So it's still holding on. There's little things that I would like to improve with it. Oh goodness. Sort of things like I think the starting sequence could be improved if Stitch faked the response from Twitch, because right now it just proxies the whole thing. So you basically have a 4-second startup with a 2-second buffer. I think that's it. But it's awkward. And it might actually be 6 because of the back and forth, 6 seconds before broadcasting starts. So there's little improvements I think that could be had, and maybe even the way that it shuts down could be cleaned up. Oh, but I'm really curious why this didn't parse the emoticon out. We're expecting that, but can you guys hold on just a sec? I hear a noise. Well, that was interesting. Yes, there was a noise. It's my darling beloved. She was on the tractor. So, she's pretty critical of her skills on the tractor. But I do appreciate when she tries. I think she does a lot better job than she thinks she does. I'll pour some tea. Yeah, I think the tractor's low on fuel. She might run out. Well, if I have to go in a bit to fuel up the tractor, I'll let you know. Okay. So why did Kappa not work? Did our spans not align? Let's check. Is that 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 to 14? Where's 9? Wait, this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 7, 8, 9, and 10. $11. Where's, oh, my mistake. My mistake. These are Unicode indices. I should not have adjusted that for its byte count. I think I shouldn't have counted that as 4. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. So, yeah, I think it's this one here that I should have matched. Oh, and it might have matched the backtick. Here, let's see. And does this even work in Twitch? I'm gonna put this in Twitch. It'll only do that if I include a space. Okay, so this isn't even a valid. So I'd have to have that space there. I'm going to count it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, I'm uncertain about the range. 9 seems to be the right starting number. 14 doesn't seem like the correct end. So if we said it was 9 to 13. Oh wait, why is it still... Is this not saved? Oh, it wasn't saved. Okay, there's emoticon 25. Okay. So that's now a better test. And why is it saying 14? So if we put 14 there, that's not going to work. Yeah, it didn't work. So we change that back to 13. Could you split on white space instead? We are splitting on white space and colon. Because there's certain cases where you have, let's say, a 2-character colon capital D, right? It's basically that. Without the space between them. There's probably a whole sequence of these that I'm missing, right? Like, hey, possibly Rishi, welcome. Yeah, there's also semicolon. So if it starts with semicolon. All right. Okay. Oh, but let's actually fix that test. Okay. I don't think I want to do that in the parser. I think we'll do that one level out. So beautiful. Switch message. And that is so important. We're going to do that right now. What were we doing before? Highlight code. No. Capture text. We're using a comma escape on the text blocks. Okay. So let's create a function. So after we have done this, just call sanitize and give it the message parts. What's going on here? Message parts dot map iter into iter. That's for the message part. Match p. Okay. If we have text, we need to sanitize it. Okay. So what were we doing before? Kind of getting the text. I think we already have that. We're escaping to HTML. And we map it to its same type. Great. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Emoticon. We don't escape that. That just goes straight through. Okay. And code. What do we do with code? We were using syntax. Highlight code. So we give it code, we get a string back. Fine. We need to collect that. I don't know. No, we're not going to know the type there. Oops. So collect incompatible types. Hello. Okay. We might need a way to better describe emotes, because I think emotes are going to be broken for some emotes. Okay. This should fail, right? Wait, it passed? Why did it pass? Huh. And that's in the list? Twitch message to parts subscriber emotes. Yeah, it's there. Okay. Why did that work? I don't know. Where's our parser? It's emoticon alphanumeric. Does that include underscore? I wonder if it's in is alphabetic or in is numeric. Let's go look. R. Okay, so we'd have to go look at the... What about is numeric? If you want to parse ASCII decimal digits or ASCII base n. Oh, I see. So maybe we should be using is ASCII alphanumeric. This is what I'm expecting. And that might cause it to fail. I get it. Okay. Let's see the span ranges. Seems fine. I didn't think my parser worked that well. I'm a little disturbed that it's working better than I thought it would. Okay. Well, I need to go, sadly. I think the whole project might actually build now. Does it? See if it could run, and then we'll go. Big finish. Or not. We'll see. Oh, here we go. Log in. All right. It is running. Here, let's... Hello. Okay, so, yep, that doesn't work. That one does, though. So we need to add semicolon. What else? Clippy, boom, boom, boom. Let's add some emotes in there. Okay, those all show up. Perfect. How about some code? Let foo equals bar my go-to with a single backtick. Oh, interesting. We only got an et. Okay, so I'm slicing the code a little too far. What is this? Okay, there's... I wonder why the R one didn't work. That seems like it should have worked. Okay. Well, we got pretty close. Obviously, there's some pieces that need to be fixed. Okay, triple backticks work. That works. All right. You can see in our old version, it failed to parse this. Oh, good test cases. This one, I don't know why this one didn't work. And these should have worked as well. Oh, but the slash isn't alphanumeric, is it? Right, the parens, not alphanumeric. So we didn't catch it. All right. I got to run. Thank you for hanging out. Let's see. Shall we raid someone today? I got to go fill up a tractor. Then I gotta get on to work. Oh, just me today. Just me doing rest. Alright, let's... I don't know, let's see. Anybody doing like Tauri? I mean, we weren't really doing Tauri today. Alright, we're gonna raid Soding. Y'all take care. Thanks for hanging out. It's been a pleasure. Till next time. Bye-bye. Ooh, 23. Oh, I got a work meeting in 23 minutes. Oh. Do you have the link? Might be able to do both. On for 2 days. Okay, cool. Perfect. Thanks, y'all. Take care. Bye. Oh, nice. On Primogen's channel. Oh, nice, nice, nice.